Hi everyone, Frankie from Easy Powerwall. A happy 26 to all my followers. Good health and of course a lot of sunshine for your and my solar panels. The last few days I spent some time with family and loved ones. And before we jump into the 2026 project, let's look back once more over our shoulder and see how our relative small setup performed in 25. And of course, I will look forward to the 26 roadmap. Let's crunch some numbers. I bought and installed 10 new solar panels of 430 watt. They are replacing 12 older 280 watt panels. 9 panels are connected to the Victron solar charger, 1 panel is connected to a microinverter and feeds back into the grid. The solar panels are half cut, and that's a real improvement against the older style panels, especially between late autumn and early spring when sun is low and the shade is covering parts of the panel. No other changes, and more good news, no repairs or replacements needed in 25. 25 was a very sunny year in Belgium. We had 1,840 sun hours. This resulted in a total off-grid solar revenue of 6,100 kilowatt hours. Compared to the 24 revenue, that's a big step forward. Why? Better and larger solar panels, more sun hours and 2 EVs. Yes, in the past, some months there was so much energy, but I couldn't find a use for that energy. Now we have 2 EVs and they can always use an electron or two. 6,100 kilowatt hour might just be a number for you, but let me explain what you can do with that. That compares to 30,000 kilometer with the EV, using the washing machine 8,000 times, or ride 1 million kilometer with an e-bike. Not bad, isn't it? I have a company car and sold 1,926 kilowatt hours to the company and received an amount of 624 euro for that. So the company paid the solar panels. Return on investment is 1 year. What's on the roadmap for 26? I'll start testing the JKBMS version 19. These white Xigo battery cases look very nice. Tempting to install 4. We'll build a car charging station from scratch. We'll introduce V2V or vehicle to Victron, and many more ideas brewing in my head. So make sure to subscribe to the channel.